Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes. It is the only thing take us when it gets hard. You know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We make these memories for ourselves. Our eyes are never closed, hearts are never broken, time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever let me go. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal. Loving can mend your soul. It is the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easier. Remember that with every piece of you, it is the only thing take us when we die. We keep this love in the photograph. We make these memories for ourselves. Our eyes are never closed, hearts are never broken, time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside your pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever let me go. And if you hurt me, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me. I won't ever let you go. Wait for me to come home. 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 You can fit me inside the necklace you got it when you were 16. Next to your heartbeat where I should be. Keep it deep within your soul. And if you hurt me, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside your pages. You just hold me. I won't ever let you go. When I'm away, I will remember how you kissed me inside these pockets of the ripped jeans, hearing whisper through the phone. Wait for me to come home.